cinematics.
Oh, yes.
Greddy. So we're going to pull this one out first. Oh, look at the tick weld. The tick weld. The tick weld. It's alright. Like, those are some dimes. But when you're going around in a circle, it's very hard to do. Okay, we'll start by removing the stock airbox. Put all the tools over here. Remove that 10 mil. There's a long bolt. Good old rust from somewhere in the Japanese JDM. Can't forget the 10 mil right here. We're gonna end up putting this one back because it's an air duct. But this is the one, Jason. It hit the ground!
Like that dramatic pause.
It was like, and then it hit the ground. I was, woo! Get the intercooler silicone thingamajigger out of here. Set this aside. Okay. Look at that bolt. It's a hog of a bolt right there. Set that there. Yep. Stock airbox removed. There we go. Set that. Ta-da. Oh yeah. Now
Yes.
that gasket's in great shape too. It's just a little bracket going from the heat shield to the turbo. Pull that out. It's a really short one. Get a wrench on there because there's no way you're fitting a ratchet in there. This is going to be the easy side because there is a 12 mil on the other side. See, it's loose, so we don't have to.
Yeah, I just need it loose.
This little baby thing that's a bracket for the wiring harness that's broken off of it anyways.
Sell it to someone from 916.
If you want some JDM dirt, bro. Okay, what we're gonna do is spin it back too. And then it should line up. Now it's a little tight and snug in here, but
Gotta pull and twist it. Yes.
there we go. A little bit of elbow grease. Ah, got it. Set that guy right there. This guy's freeing too. Oh, just gotta finesse it out.
Look at the little spoolie boy.
That thing's a little baby. Process difficult. Just the O-ring. It'll be seated in this little groove right here. Just like that. Sits in there pretty nice. You get 2 new Allen key pieces of hardware that I just dropped. I'm gonna put that right here. And they provide you an Allen key that's really short. I'm guessing this is really gonna come in clutch right now. I got old Bessie threaded.
Yes. You can leave that one loose and do the other one.
Oh, you know what I could do? Alright, once you can catch a thread, it's going in there like butter now. It's a very difficult bolt to line up. You know what you guys want to know about how easy this install is?
How easy is it?
It's not easy. This bolt is hard to thread with your fingers, but once it's on there, ratchet, easy. This bolt, easy to thread on, but once it's on there, getting the rest of the threads tightened on, because there's this coolant passage and all this going on. Yeah, it's going to be a little difficult. See it in there?
Mm-hmm.
I can move it with my fingers, so I'll get as far as oh no, it's tightening up already. No! Oh dude, I'm finessing it right now. Okay, this is the confusing part. That elbow goes to there.
Do the taps go on that side?
Okay, there we go. Okay, take these. Oops. There it goes. Like butter. Okay, so you have to clarify in the video, these bolts are very anal and they have to go in perfect. You cannot go in a little cockeyed or because they won't catch a thread even. They have to go in perfect, like to perfection. Nice and snug. Nice and snug. First, slip the hose clamp on there.
Slip the hose clamp.
Didn't struggle to put it on. And grab the second hose clamp. Slip that on there. Okay, so over this. Alright, we'll slip that on. Basically, you'll watch till this hole lines up with the factory hole for the air box, the factory air box. That says make car fast. Not one, but 2 turbos. That means it's faster, right?
Yes.
No. You know what that means? Just more expensive when it breaks.
That sounds like peasant talk.
try the charm. And that. Alright, there we go. Try to loosen these back up. Alright, that's the install right there, folks. See, even a retard can do it.
Mint.
That's so good.
A cool trick is with the TF work intakes, if you take this hose, let's see if I can give you a better angle. So you just take off that clamp. Yeah, so if you take off this hose, where the OEM blow off valve is, you put a cap in there, you can actually make turbo flutter. With the TF work intakes, I was able to get a consistent turbo flutter with it, but with the stock intakes, I was not able to get a consistent flutter.